Ciao ragazzi, come state? Have you ever heard of the Italian sound Y? It's a very weird sound and it's also not very easy to pronounce. On this video, I'll tell you how to make this sound, or at least I'll try. However, we have to say that these two letters, GL, are not always pronounced Y. In fact, if GL are followed by the vowels A, E, O, and U, they are pronounced separately, GL, GL, like for example in the word glee. For instance, gloria, glutine, globo are pronounced just as the English words glory, gluten, and globe. Instead, if the letters GL are followed by the letter I, they will be pronounced as one single sound, y, y. Also, we pronounce it li when the I is followed by a vowel, coniglio, G-L-I-O, coniglio. Famiglia, maglietta, paglia, foglia, moglie, sbaglio, sbaglio. We pronounce it GLI when the I is followed by a consonant, gl, glicine, glicine. A C is a consonant. Glissare. Some people say that this y sound is similar to the double L sound that we find in the word million, for example. But it's actually different because when you say million, the tip of our tongue touches the palate and it's right behind the upper front teeth. Million, million. But when we say yi, the tip of our tongue has to touch the back of our lower front teeth. Yeah, famiglia, yeah. And with our upper front teeth, we have to press the tongue. Yeah, we have to tip our tongue here in the back, and with this teeth, you press the tongue. The sound comes out of the sides and the G is not even pronounced. Famiglia. Famiglia. It's not like million, which is up there. Now, sorry, I didn't want to scare you getting too close to the camera, but I want to show you exactly where the tongue goes because this is actually the trick. Now, I hope this video was helpful, spero che il video sia stato utile. It's a little bit hard to make this sound, but you'll need some practice and you'll get there. Quindi provate, esercitatevi, try, e ci vediamo presto. Ciao, grazie!